Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to check your dividends on Charles Schwab. First, sign in to your Charles Schwab account on the website. Once you're logged in, hover over the Accounts tab at the top. Then select Investment Income. Here, you'll see a summary of your interest and dividend earnings. Look under the Estimated Dividends section to view your current and upcoming dividend payments. You can also adjust the time range to see dividends from previous months, years, or a custom period. And that's it. That's how you check your dividends on Charles Schwab. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.